What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to YouTube channel where we explore the latest crypto, Web3, AI, and other platforms before they go mainstream. If you're someone who wants to discover early projects, find hidden gems, and stay ahead in the digital world, you are in the right place. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notification so you never miss an opportunity. So, guys, what if you could own your digital identity across Web3 without worrying about renewals, multiple wallets, or switching between different blockchains? Today, I'm going to show you a powerful platform that can change how people manage their Web3 presence. It's called ZNS.Pilot. So ZNS is a multi-chain Web3 identity platform that lets you create your own domain name, kind of like your personal username, but usable across more than 90 blockchain networks. Instead of dealing with the long wallet addresses, so you can have a clean, simple name that represents you everywhere in the Web3. And the best part, no renewal fees. Once you get your domain, it's yours. Let's take a closer look at how this actually works. So when you land on Zen and as the first thing you will notice is very clean and simple interface. You can connect your wallet in just a few seconds. It supports popular wallets, so whether you are using MetaMask or other Web3 wallet, you are good to go. Once connected, you can search for your desired domain name. Think of this like choosing your username for Web3. It could be your brand name, your nickname, or anything you want to build your identity around. If the name is available, you can register it instantly. And remember, this is not like traditional domains where you have to renew every year. So here is to have you own it permanently. How here is where things get really interesting. That NS is about a domain platform. It's actually complete salmon in one Web3 toolkit. You can link multiple wallet addresses to a single domain. That means instead of sharing different addresses for different chains, you just share your one ZNS name, and people can send access you easily. You can also build your own Web3 profile. This works like a decentralized variant of Linktree. You can add your social links, crypto wallets, NFT, and even showcase your projects. For creators like me and you, this is extremely powerful. Imagine you having a simple link where your audience can find everything over your YouTube, Telegram, Twitter, NFTs, and more. Another feature is multi-chain compatibility. Most platforms are limited to one or two networks, but ZNS supports over 90 networks. That means you are not locked into the one ecosystem. You can move freely across chains while keeping the same identity. And there is also NFT integration. Your domain can actually act like a NFT, meaning you full own it and you can trade or transfer it if you want. This adds a whole new layer of the value, especially for rare or unique domain names. ZNS also includes the built-in tools for airdrops and rewards. Some users have already benefited from early participation. So if you have someone who likes getting in early on Web3 project, this is definitely something to explore. So now let's talk about the usability about this platform. So first of all, this platform is beginner friendly. Even if you are new to Web3 and you can set everything in just few minutes, this UI is smooth. It's everything clearly organized, and you don't need to advanced technical knowledge for the advanced user. It is still powerful. Features like managing multiple wallets, customizing your profile, integrating across the different ecosystems, and for businesses or influencers, this becomes even more valuable. You can use your ZNS domain as your brand identity in Web3. Instead of sharing multiple links, you just share one domain and everything is connected behind it. This make it easier for your audience to interact with you, send payments, explore your content, and engage with your project. Now let's quickly summarize why ZNS stands out. Permanent ownership with no revenue fees, support for 90 blockchain networks, a complete Web3 profile system like a decentralized Linktree, NFT-based domain ownership, and additional tools like airdrop and reward for early users. All of this combined makes ZNS more than a domain platform. It's a full Web3 identity solutions. So if you're serious about building your presence in Web3, whether you are a creator, investor, or developer, having a unified identity is extremely important, and that exactly what ZNS is offering. So if you want to try it out, visit ZNS Connect your wallet, claim your domain before you design a mistake. Because in Web3, your name is your brand, and cat in early can make a huge difference. Let me know in the comments what name you are planning to grab, and don't forget to like, subscribe more videos on the crypto Web3 and the latest other platform. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one. So have a great day. Please keep safe and stay happy.